Hello ladies, Munofara here, and we are, as usual, good news all the time. We have some new pants in the house. These pants, you need to try them. And I'm not going to know rocket up there. My menstrual cycles they do. Tanima pants. They put out that pad, you know. Mazono is too hot. You can't be doubling things. Pad, you know how it is. So we have these menstrual pants for you. They are very special. They are padded already inside. All you have to do is to wear this. You see? This is the pad already. So this thing, you know, shirt. Shirt, and it's you to feel fine, then also change it, and you know what, you can wash it after, you can reuse it again and again and again. Just see anima pets chikashandisa toras and it. So make sure you come through Kwamaiti Tikuzumkati with this special menstrual pants for you. Yaka utambe smart yako. Wakaruwa pentraka uchafile kuti sanige nyini mnozo chindi kuti secret. Antumbo gonwe mnazofika pedi mshini chimbo chema. Saka elicit this pants, I know I am free and I'm okay, and the question kwenye wakavaro flow not so flow flow era katimu kusina kavumena. Saka Viola Secret kwa Maititi Kwezhibukati, Join City, 2nd floor, shop number JH008. Besides the pants, we have the bras, we have the sexy lingerie, we have everything. Jana dedika, shekuti jifambe jakanaka. I'll see you when you come through. I love you.